Hi friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. I create this YouTube only for, my channel is only for those who can't understand harmonic series and those who can't understand the books, those who need explanations. That's why I create this channel. Okay friends, today I will discuss this formula hn divided by n whole square is equal to 17 by 4 xi 4. 17 by 4 xi 4. Okay friends, this formula I will derives. Okay, I hope you can get a lot of books, a lot of channel. Okay, you can get, but however my suggested books, I suggested some books and some reference. Okay, you can get almost impossible integrals and series, author Cornell Lone Vellon, and you can get Ali Sadar mathematical exchange. Okay, you can get this concept Ali Sadar mathematical exchange, math exchange, MSE and Cornell Lone Vellon. Good book. This is very important. This result is very important and available in the market. But why do I explain? I explain only for those who can't understand to see a book. A lot of students can't understand because books also represents everything, but those who can't understand, I create this program only for them. So friends, this is the important recalling formula. Recalling formula our recalling formula is very simple. hn by n minus hn by n is equal to 0 to 1 log x to the power n minus 1 log 1 minus x dx. This proof is very easy proof. I will prove if those who don't know this proof, I will prove it again in my channel. I will start basic harmonic series, basic programs. Okay, in my basic level when I will start, I will also prove this formula. Okay friends, so I apply this formula in here. Summation n equals to 1 to infinity, and hn by n whole square means hn by n minus into minus hn by n. Okay, very nicely proof this. This is well known, minus plus and hn by n whole square. I can write this formula in this way: 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 log 1 minus x dx, and 0 to 1, and also summation I will write n equals to 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity and x to the power n minus 1 log y to the power n minus 1. Sorry, I change the variable 1 minus y dy. Just need explanations because a lot of people can't understand when it is to do a solutions. We can't understand, a lot of people. This is I create only for those who can't understand, who need explanations. That's why I create this program. Okay, those who are very brilliant, they can easily understand when however the book solutions, but I create only for those who can't understand. Okay friends, so I write n equals to 0 to infinity. I will not waste my time. I write this in this way: log 1 minus x into log 1 minus y, x to the power n minus y, y to the power n minus y dx into dy. I can write this way. I will so double integral. This is the double integral will come 0 to 1 log 1 minus x log 1 minus y summation n equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 into y to the power n minus y 1 into dx into dy. Very simple, friends, very simple, no tough. Just if you can understand the basic. I used only basic formula, so I hope that everybody can understand. And now I explain 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1. What is the formula, friends? 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1 means 1 by 1 minus x. This formula is 1 plus x plus x square plus up to infinity. Okay, I can write this in this way: n equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n. Friends, look at this. Look this concept. Okay, n equals to 1. Sorry, this is n equals to 1. N equals to 1. Look at this concept. The concept that n equals to 1 to x to the power n minus 1. So look at this concept. I can write it is, you can write it x to the power n minus 1, y to the power n minus 1. I can write x y whole to the power n minus 1. Friends, I hope it is very clear for everyone. And now I can write this way: 0 to and summation n equals to 1 to infinity x y whole to the power n minus 1 can be write 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1. This is the meaning 1 minus xy. I can write, friends. Very simple analysis. I hope everybody can understand. And after that, I can write this way: 0 to 1 log 1 minus x log 1 minus y divide by 1 minus xy. Okay, friends, very simple, very easy, but need to understand. Mathematics is understanding. Friends, never think that it is memorizing. It is understanding. If you can understand, you can solve a lot of problem. If you can't understand, then you can't solve any problem. So it is understanding. Now I can write xy is equal to t. No problem. If I take xy is equal to t, so limit will be changed. Friends, whatever limit will be changed, I write x into y into dx is equal to dt. I can write, so dx is equal to dt by y. Dx is equal to dt by y, and my limit changing. See my limit changing, friends. I change my limit x and y. X is equal to 0, then t is x and t. X is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Friends, clear, I hope. And x is equal to when 1, so t is equal to y. So I change my limit in here: 0 to 1 and 0 to y log 1 minus x log 1 minus y 1 minus y. So y can be written, okay, this is very simple fact that dx is equal to dt and dy is equal to, which is very important for me. Okay, no problem. Dx is equal to dt. So x can be written, x is equal to t by y. Friends, I can write x is equal to t by y. I write this way: a log 1 minus t by y. Okay, log 1 minus y. So I can write it 1 minus t and dt into y and dy. Friends, I write in this way, friends. And after that, I can write this way: 0 to 1 log 1 minus y divided by y. After that, I write 0 to y log y, and 0 to y, I can write 0 to y log 1 minus t by y, 1 minus t by y, and 1 minus t dt. I can write this way. way. So no problem. And after that, I will work same fact, log 1 minus y divided by y into dy, and log, friends, remembering this formula, log 1 minus x is equal to whatever we know, x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 up to x to the power minus 1 to the power n minus 1 x to the power n by n. This is the formula. Friends, I am just learner. I always say that I am learner. If I can make mistakes, you will must tell me. Okay, in my comment sections, otherwise my Facebook, everywhere you can tell. Otherwise personally you can call me. Then I will try to okay. This is the main fact that always tell n equals to 1 to infinity, and I can learn from you. If I will make mistake, must tell. So n equals to 1 to infinity, I can write, friends, n equals to 1 to infinity, and k equals to 1 to infinity, I can write, I just express log 1 minus x, log 1 minus t comma 1, n equals to 0 to infinity. This is the another factor, 1 minus t. So it is 1 minus t can be expressed t to the power n equals to 0 to infinity. So 1 by 1 minus t can be expressed summation n equals to 0 to infinity t to the power n. Okay, so no tough to understand, no tough, t to the power n. After that, friends, I can write this problem is t to the power k equals to 1 to 1. So t to the power k, t to the power k divide by k. Okay, divide by k into dt. I can write in this way, and y to the power k 0 to 1. Friends, noted this 0 to 0 to 1 log 1 minus y divided by y into dy 0 to y, and this is the minus is coming. Okay, minus is coming. So how can I remove this? How can I remove? I can remove this way. Summation, okay, n equals to 0 to infinity, n k equals to 1 to infinity, t to the power k plus n divided by k t to the power k plus n divided by k y to the power k. I'll go next page. So I get 0 to 1 log 1 minus y divided by y dy, and minus summation n equals to 0 to infinity and k equals to 1 to infinity 1 by k y to the power k 0 to y t to the power k plus n divided by into dt. This is the technique. Please see the technique. Technique is very important, friends. technique is very very important in mathematics. We are okay, and after that I just write n equals to 0 to infinity and summation k equals to 1 to infinity 1 by k y to the power k and y to the power k plus n plus 1 divided by k plus n plus 1. I can write, no problem. Okay, I can write this, and after that I just cut y to the power k, so my value is y to the power n plus 1. So I can write 0 to 1 log 1 minus y divided by y into dy into minus summation n equals to 0 to infinity k equals to 1 infinity y to the power n plus 1 into k plus n plus 1. So friends, this is the formula, and now I will try some tricky way. I will work some tricky way. 0 to 1 log 1 plus 1 minus y divided by y, and after that I just write n equals to 0 to infinity. Friends, I just write n equals to 0 to infinity, and I take this y to the power n plus 1 this way, and this way I multiply, and k equals to 1 to infinity n plus 1 into k plus n plus 1. Friends, why I multiply n plus 1 in both sides? Because we know the formula. Whatever we know the formula, h n plus 1. Friends, it is noted portions that h n plus 1 means summation k equals to 1 to infinity n plus 1 into k plus n plus 1. So friends, that's why I multiply in both sides. Friends, this is the technique. When we will solve any problem, we just use technique. Friends, technique is very very important. I use this technique. Why? Because I need hn plus 1. So I have to multiply. If I will multiply n plus 1 in both sides, then I can easily find out hn plus 1. This is the main concept. So I get the value minus 0 to 1 log 1 minus y divided by y, and summation n equals to 0 to infinity y to the power n plus 1 divided by 1 n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and I can write it h n plus 1. Friends, very very important this formula. And after that, recall, this is the basic harmonic. Those who study the basic harmonic, I learn it in various books, and various books you can know, you can get it from various books. This formula is very very important in harmonic case. Friends, that which formula is very very important? Our important formula is h n plus y to the power n, h n divided by n summation n equals to 1 to infinity equals to li to y plus half into log square 1 minus y. I hope friends, it is very very simple proof. I will prove it in my next lectures, harmonic lectures. I will prove this formula. So it is very very simple. Minus I multiply, and 0 to 1 log, and dy also multiply. I in here I forget to multiplications, log 1 minus y divided by y into dy. Friends, and after that I just write this li to y plus half into log square into 1 minus y. Friends, this is the formula you have to remember. Simple, very very simple. Friends, just need to know the concept and some formula. If you remember, you can easily understand. I am also learner, but I also regularly I follow this. because harmonic series is very very important, friends, in case of in the aspect of the science and engineering science. Engineering science is very influenced chapter, so we have to do hard work for our learning purpose. Log cube 1 minus y into dy. Okay friends, very simple. Now is this value is summation, okay, summation n equals to 1 to infinity hn by n cube. Must remember friends, this value is a summation n equals to 1 to infinity and plus this value is 3 zeta 4. This value is recall. Whatever you have to recall sum 0 to 1 log 1 minus y li2 y divided by y is equal to summation n equals to 1 to infinity hn divided by n cube, friends, minus, and after that this value is 3 zeta 4, and this value, this generalization value is, we know, whatever we know, this generalization value 5 by 4 zeta 4, friends, and after that plus 3 zeta 4 is equal to 17 by 4 zeta 4. So remember this form, you have to remember whatever the remembering summation n equals to 1 to infinity hn by n cube is equal to 5 by 4 zeta 4 and summation, and this is the, it is the very remember. Okay friends,